Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to delete your ZipRecruiter account. So if you no longer want to use ZipRecruiter, then just follow along. First, sign into your ZipRecruiter account, then go to your account settings or profile settings. Then from there, look for an option to close, deactivate or delete your account. And if it's available, you need to follow the on-screen instruction and confirm your request. But if you don't see a delete option, you need to contact ZipRecruiter's customer support through the help center and request permanent account deletion. Before deleting your account, you need to make sure you've saved any resumes, job applications, or important information you may need later. Once your account is deleted, you may lose access to your application history and saved jobs. So that was how to delete a ZipRecruiter account. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.